We know your life is busy, so our all-in-one security system does the hard work for you. Just set it up and it'll tell you what you need to know. With Honeywell Smart Home Security, you can check on what's happening at home even when you're not there. You'll know the kids got home on time, thanks to an alert when they come through the door.
Alexa, is it gonna rain today?
It probably won't rain in Atlanta today. There's only a 25% chance.
Have you walked the dog yet?
And if an issue is detected when no one's around, you can take action. Wherever you are, it's easy to check on your home around the clock and know who's been up to mischief. Adding sensors extends your coverage, even outdoors. So, if an unwelcome visitor is spotted outside, you'll know. And they'll know you know. Smart home security helps give you confidence when you're away. And when you return, your system can see your home and is ready to greet you. The Smart Home Security System from Honeywell. It's good to know.